Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm yet again back with Meesho haul, and this time also I've got jewelries for you guys. I know you guys like jewelry haul, and this time I've got like finger rings, earrings and some necklace set. So I hope you guys will like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Okay, the first product which I'm gonna show you guys, I received in this packaging. The packaging doesn't look that great, but the product inside this is really nice because this is such a beautiful and trendy stuff. I got a ring, and the quality of this ring is really beautiful. Let me show you guys. And this is from the brand Beauty NX Artificial Jewelry. This is how it looks like. It is such a beautiful ring, and I feel like I can wear it every day. I don't know how long it will come, but definitely for this price, I'll tell you guys price in a bit, but I think the quality of this ring is really beautiful, and it's not like, it doesn't look cheap at all guys. Even behind also you can see the finishing of this ring is really beautiful. I'm not even exaggerating. I've seen similar kind of rings in H&M, but this quality is very good comparatively. So let me tell you guys what is the price of this particular ring. Okay, the price of this particular ring is 176 rupees. Can you believe that? The price is very affordable guys. If you like this product, definitely go for it because I really like the quality. I'll provide the product links in the description box. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is also from the same vendor. I got earrings from them. So this is how it looks like. Let me open it and show you guys. This is how the earrings looks like. It's such a pretty earrings. I mean, this is like a hoop, so you can just open it and wear it. This is like okay. I did not like the quality of this so much, but nonetheless the design of this earrings looks really pretty. I think the price is very reasonable. Let me just check and tell you guys. The price of this particular earrings is 208 rupees. Although it's very affordable, but the quality is not that great. I would not recommend. If you guys still want to buy it, you can definitely go ahead and buy it. I'll put the product links in the description box. And the next one is also from the same vendor. Again, I got a ring. I think their ring quality is really nice, and they have a very beautiful collections as well. This is also like an adjustable ring. Let me show you guys. So this is how it looks like. There's like a tiger design in the front, you guys can see. This is also really nice, so you guys can see how this one looks. Ring quality is really nice. They have used like green color stone and white color stone for this ring, so it looks really nice, and the quality is really nice. You guys can see the finishing. It looks really beautiful. If you guys like this one, I would 100% recommend this particular ring. I really liked it guys, so you can definitely wear this one on a daily. I think for daily use it's really nice. You can wear it couple of times and discard it. It is just I think it's below 200 rupees. Let me check. This particular ring is 248 rupees. It's within 250 rupees guys. It's very affordable, and the quality is really nice. I would recommend it. If you guys like it, you can go for it. The next product which I'm gonna show you guys is also a ring. So this is how I got it. They have packed it in this small little box, and let me show you this ring. This particular ring is very beautiful guys, and look at it. The design looks so unique and beautiful. I'll wear it on this finger. Oh, for this finger it's a bit loose. I'll wear it on this. Okay, I hope you guys can see. They have given a very pretty, leaf shape to it. It looks so unique, and you can see. Let me open it and show you guys. So this is how it looks like. I don't know, camera is not capturing it. Okay, this is how it looks like. Very beautiful ring. I really liked it. I thought like I'll make one like this in gold also because the design looks so unique. Okay, the price of this particular ring is 160 rupees. Can you believe that? That quality is so nice, guys. I would recommend it. If you guys like it, you can definitely go for it. Alright, the price of this particular ring is 160 rupees. I mean, what more you can expect for this price? The quality and the design looks so beautiful. I would recommend it. If you guys like it, you can definitely go for it. Anyway, I will provide product links in the description box. And let's move on to the next product. The next product which I'm gonna show you guys is a ring again. Let me finish all the rings and then I'll move ahead with the earrings. So this is also a ring. This is how the ring looks like. This one also looks really pretty. This is like a stone ring. I really liked this one as well, but this is not from the same vendor. I guess this is from the different vendor, but although the quality looks decent, you can definitely go for it. Let me tell you guys what is the price of this particular ring. The price of this particular ring is 127 rupees. If you guys like this one, you can definitely go for it. The quality is like okay. I would not say it's a best quality, but at this price, I think it's really nice. You can definitely go for it, guys. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is earrings. Okay, let me pick this one. Okay, they have given me in this box. By the way, I got one more earrings, but they have delivered a wrong product, which I might not be showing you guys. The next earrings looks like. This is such a pretty earrings and the quality is really nice. They have used a pearl here, you guys can see, but they have used a very good stone and the quality of this earrings is really nice. If you guys like this one, you can definitely go for it. And the price of this particular earrings is, okay, the price is 281 rupees. They have it in gold color as well. If you guys like that one, you can go for it. Let me show you guys. This is gold and there is one in silver here. So this is silver. The price is same for both the items, like gold and silver. It's 281 rupees. They have like 1% discount, and also guys, when you buy it with Google Pay or Phone Pay, you'll get some percentage of discount, so you don't have to worry. But I will definitely recommend this because the quality is really nice and it's such a pretty earrings, I feel. So if you guys have any stone necklace and you don't have earrings, I think you can pair this one. It will look really nice. I would recommend it. If you guys want it, you can definitely go for it. I'll provide the product links. And the next product which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This is this one they have given me in this box, and this is also like a stone earrings. This is how the next earrings looks like. The quality of this earrings is also really nice. If you guys like it, you can go for it. And I'm not really sure how long you can wear this because these are like artificial jewelry. So definitely the quality is nice. If you guys like it, you can go for it. Alright, the price of this particular earrings is 230 rupees, and they have it in two more colors. One is in green, one is in pink color. I would recommend it. If you guys like it, you can definitely go for it, guys, because the quality and the earrings look so pretty, which I'm gonna show you guys. I received in this packaging. This is a very small, dainty neck piece. This is how the next neck piece looks like. This is such a beautiful dainty piece. I really like this one because the quality of this neck piece is really nice. It looks like a gold. It doesn't look cheap at all. So definitely you can go for it, guys, and it looks nice if you wear it on a sari or something. I would recommend it. If you guys like it, you can go for it. And there is a earrings for this. The earrings is very simple. This is how the earrings looks like. This is like a small stud. Alright, the price of this particular neck piece is 210 rupees. I think it's very affordable. If you guys like it, you can definitely go for it. And the next product which I'm gonna show you guys, I received in this box. This is how the next product looks like. Oh my god, I really like this one, guys, and the design looks so unique. And you can see the chain. They have used a very good, stone for this one as well. This is how it looks like. This is how the earrings looks like. It goes really well with the neck piece, I feel. Price of this particular neck piece is 859 rupees, and the red one is out of stock. You have like 4 more colors, you guys can see. Red one is out of stock, so they have it in green color, pink, light pink color, white color, and blue color as well. If you guys like those colors, you can definitely go for it. But the product quality is really nice. I really like the design of it. So let's move on to the next one, guys. The next one, I got it in this box. They have packed it really well, and they have given it like this. So it's such a beautiful neck piece, guys. And I think I have done similar one, but in 1 layer, but this is like 2 layer, and this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Such a beautiful neck piece. You guys can see how the quality looks like. I will make a try on video also, you guys can see, but I really love this one, guys, and they have it in a lot of colors. I'll provide the links for different colors as well, because in one picture they have given just one product link. So this is how it looks like. Very beautiful neck piece. I think even a bride can wear this, because this is like a huge neck piece. If you wear it on a green color or pink color outfit, it looks really nice. And they have given earrings and Mount Tikka as well. So this is how the earrings looks like. This is the Mount Tikka. Okay, the price of this particular neck piece is 1696 rupees. If you guys like this one, you can definitely go for it, because this is like a 2-layered neck chain and it looks very beautiful. I would recommend it. If you guys like it, you can go for it, and I will also provide I will also put a try on video, you guys can see. And the next product which I'm gonna show you guys is from the Rebecca brand. And last time also I got some jewelries from Rebecca, and their product quality is really beautiful. I got like 3 products inside this. This is how the first one looks like, and oh my god, the product quality is amazing, guys. I really liked it. It looks so premium. And last time also I've got few neck pieces from them. It went out of stock. I'm so sorry, guys. You can keep it in your wish list. Once it's in the stock, you can definitely buy it. And this is how it looks like. They have given a very beautiful design to it. I really like this one, and very simple, and it looks very elegant. This is like a dark blue color stone. I love this product, guys. I'm not even kidding. I'm definitely gonna keep this. And let me tell you what is the price. They have given this thread, hook, so you can wear this one with a hook. And also they have given a chain, so you guys can see. So 2 ways you can wear. This is how the next product looks like, and this is also from the same brand, Rebecca, and I really like the quality of this one as well. They have used a very good stone for this, and this is also in a dark blue color, guys. And again, very beautiful, and I'll put a try on video. You guys can see how this one looks like. Let me tell you what is the price. Alright, the price of this particular neck piece is 933 rupees. I would say it's very affordable and the quality is really nice. Let me show you the last product of this haul. This is the one, and this is also from Rebecca. This particular neck piece is so beautiful and it's one of my favorite. Let me show you guys. This is how it looks like. Oh my god, this particular neck piece also looks so beautiful, guys. This particular neck piece is one of my favorite and it looks so beautiful. They've used a very good stone for this one, and just look at it, guys, how beautiful it shines. It's such a pretty neck piece. I don't know, like, their product quality is very beautiful and very unique as well. And last time I had got one green color, you guys were asking for it. I don't know when it will be back in stock, but this one also looks very beautiful. And let me tell you what is the price of this particular product, and let me see if they have it in different colors. Okay, the price of this particular neck piece is 1625 rupees. I would 100% recommend this particular product, and they don't have it in different colors. Let me check and give you the links for this one. That is it for today's video, guys. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. Until I upload a next video, take care. Bye bye.